Layovers don't have to be a waste of time. They can be an exciting opportunity to explore, relax, or even tick something off your bucket list. Whether you've got a few hours or an overnight stop, making the most of your layover starts with planning. Let's turn what could be hours of boredom into a mini adventure. The key to maximizing your layover begins before your flight. Check the airport's location relative to the city. If your layover is longer than 6 hours, research nearby attractions or local highlights you can visit. Use apps like Google Maps or Rome to Rio to calculate travel times to and from the airport. For shorter layovers, explore what your airport offers. Many major airports feature luxury lounges, free cultural exhibits, and even spa services. Some, like Singapore Changi, have rooftop pools, butterfly gardens, or movie theaters. Check the airport's official website for details on amenities and activities. If you're heading out of the airport, make sure to factor in immigration and security check times. Consider booking a quick city tour. Many airports offer transit tours specifically for layover passengers. These tours are designed to fit within your schedule, giving you a glimpse of the city's best spots without the stress of planning. For those staying inside the terminal, stay productive or refreshed. Use free Wi-Fi to catch up on emails, download entertainment, or plan the rest of your trip. Some airports even have quiet zones for napping or meditation rooms for unwinding. If you're feeling active, seek out walking paths or exercise areas to stretch after a long flight. Pack smart for your layover. Keep essentials like chargers, travel adapters, and a refillable water bottle in your carry-on. A small kit with toiletries, snacks, and a neck pillow can make even the longest layovers more comfortable. Finally, don't forget to check your connecting flight details regularly. Delays or gate changes can occur, so stay updated through airline apps or airport screens to avoid last-minute stress. A layover doesn't have to be a waiting game. With a little planning and creativity, you can make the most of your time and even enjoy it. Turn your next layover into a chance to explore, relax, or recharge, because every moment of your journey should feel worthwhile.